Okay, so now we are going to understand middleware. Middleware is the layer that run before and after every request in FastAPI. It is commonly used for logging, authentication, security, and monitoring. Okay, so I'm going to write code here. Okay, so I'm going to import from FastAPI request. Okay, and here app.middleware we can use like this. Okay, app.middleware. So here this is a custom HTTP middleware. This is the custom HTTP middleware. Okay, and request, you can see here request. Here this is the asynchronous function log request. Okay, and this is the request. This one request contain information about the incoming request. Okay, and call next. You can see here call next. Pass the request to the actual API point. Call next. Pass the request to the actual API endpoint. Okay, the code before call next, call underscore next, run before the request. Okay, and the code after call underscore request run after the response. Okay, so what this middleware does, this middleware logs the request URL. This middleware logs the request URL for every API call. It works globally, so we don't need to add logging in every endpoint. This middleware logs the request URL for every API. Okay, it works globally, so we don't need to add the logging in every endpoint. Okay, so here you can see request equals to wait and call next request and return the response. So here I'm going to run this line. Okay, I'm going to run this file. Again I need to use what? I need to use these two. Okay, I'm going to click here, and here we can check our endpoint. No operation defined in specs. Now you are going to understand. Okay, this code I'm just writing here. For example, I'm not going too deep. Okay, so we are going to understand CORS. Okay, so when a front end application like React or Angular tries to call an API from the another domain, the browser block it. Okay, CORS middleware solve this problem. Okay, so this is the code for CORS middleware. Okay, I'm not going deeply. Okay, so this configuration allow request from any front-end origin. In production we restrict this to a specific domain. Okay, so CORS is a browser security feature, so Swagger UI already work without issue. CORS become important when front-end app call this API. CORS is a browser security feature, so Swagger UI already work without issue. CORS become important when a front-end app call this API. So middleware allow us to apply logic globally, and core enable front-end application to communicate with the backend. Okay, and we can say this middleware and enable cores so front-end application can access the API. In production, we restrict allow origins for security. Okay, so middleware application logic middleware applies logic globally, and CORS allow front-end app to call the backend API. Okay, so I got this because middleware does not appear in Swagger UI because it is not an endpoint. Swagger show only API operation. To test middleware, we can call any API endpoint and observe the terminal logs. Okay, so here I need to write one API. Okay, so this is our API get app.get home message in return we oh, and return message hello middleware. Okay, I'm going to save this. This is our get API. Okay, and this is the home, this is the function, and this is the route. So here after this I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so now you can see here middleware is working. So if Swagger show no operation defined, it means no route are defined, not an error. Okay, so this confusion happened to almost everyone first time you understand it correctly. Why? By writing here one API. Okay, so here you can see this is our middleware is working. While middleware does not appear in the Swagger, I already said that. Okay, now guys, I have finished middleware. So here we can check. Okay, and here we can check here middleware hello middleware. Okay, and this is our endpoint. So you can see here in log we got this request url dog. Okay, so what you can see here, the request url, this one, this is request url printed in the terminal, which means middleware is execute for every request. Okay, request url, this means middleware is execute for every request.